Dear students, in this video we will discuss about technical writing in professional English or professional communication. Now, what is technical writing? Technical writing is a structured or specialized form of writing that represents technical information. Now, technical information can be any information which is related to your course subject or related to a particular idea from your technical field, a concept, etc. to the readers in such a way that it fulfills the need and is as per the understanding level. So, what do you understand by the need and understanding level here? See, suppose you are writing something for beginners, maybe beginners in C language. So, you only need to firstly tell them what is the need, how the actual language works, the basic idea, what are the basic codes, basic functions. But if you are writing, see, a advanced language for say industry professionals, then you need to mention what is the latest coding that you do, or you don't need to go to the basics or to the very initial, you can say, codes or symbols need not be explained every time. Then it helps to perform a certain task or solve a certain specific problem. Like if you have a question, suppose that define metrology, define instrumentation, then you have to answer according to that in the specific terms. Like if there is a question, maybe in chemistry, you can say that define titration, then you have to answer what is the process in terms which are related to like the chemistry or the science field, right? Then characteristics of technical writing. Technical writing has such certain features. Some of the features which are very important and should be a part, should always be present in your technical writing so that it is effective, it suits the purpose, and it satisfies the need and also the reader or the listener for whom you are writing the technical information, they are able to understand it clearly. So, firstly, the very important point, as I have already mentioned, is clarity. Technical writing should be easily understood by the respective audience. As I said, like if you're writing for maybe primary class students, then they should understand if what is pollution, then pollution should be in basic terms. But if you're writing the same, that what is pollution for maybe an 11th class student, then the language could be a little more related to a little more complex or a little more science based, right? So as per the audience that are there, if the audience are beginners or intermediate or advanced people, then the writing has should be clear in its meaning, in its sense, in its explanation to serve the purpose or the need. Then coming to conciseness we mean in short. So, technical writing should not be very lengthy or should have points which are very long, or we can say a lot of information, maybe a two-liner, three-liner, or four-liner thing extended in a two-page, three-page, or four-page. Because technical writing is effective only if it is written in short, like with the minimum possible use of words. So we should always keep in mind that that the technical information that you're providing is point wise or in bullets, and no long or very lengthy explanations are there. Then for specific audience, technical writing is always focused for a targeted audience. The audience can be students or your colleagues or your clients or working professionals, or maybe if you are in research, then all the people who are undergoing the research on the particular topic, or your writing can work as a reference. It depends on for where you are actually presenting or writing, the technical data or the technical information. Next important point is accuracy. Your technical writing should be very accurate. It should not have any individual opinion or individual preference, or facts should be checked and free from any of the bias. By bias we means that any my preference, like if I am having two methods to solve a problem, then if I find maybe one method more easy, then it should not be the case that I refer all of you to adopt the same method. It is my duty that I mention both the ways, and then the readers decide which has more accuracy or which has a better way to solve the problem. Then coming to correctness, the technical writing should be correct. Correct, it should follow the grammar and technical norms and rules. Like obviously, when you are writing for maybe some people who are searching for some particular information, then you cannot provide them with a language that is full of grammatical errors or technical values are wrong. It should follow the particular structure, like a format. Like if everything is required to be left aligned, or everything is required to be with a font size of 12 or 14, then the technical writing should be in the same format. Then coming to comprehensiveness. By comprehensiveness, we mean that all the required information, all the necessary part, it should be included in the matter. If somebody is searching for maybe parts of a paragraph, then all the parts of the paragraph, like the introduction, the main body, the conclusion, and everything that comes in it, should be a part of your technical writing. Accessibility. By accessibility, we mean that it should be easy to read the material. The material should be organized in such a way, like if there is a book or a Reader's Digest, or you can say an article, then it should have the headings, subheadings, indexes, or your book should have a table of contents so that the reader can easily go through and can run through the material and then also highlight the main points, or you can also go through the main points in a short time. It should not be like the reader or the one who requires your information, he is not able to find the information in a quick time, on a quick span of time. It should be that it is very easy for him to go through the material and to understand what exactly he is looking for and where it is present in your writing. So these are the features and the basics of technical writing. Thank you.